How to use credits on Whatnot. So credits may only be redeemed in Whatnot app or the website, and once earned, credits will appear on the referred or referring members checkout page. And credits must be used within 90 days from the date they are issued, and after which they may expire. So the credits are coupons issued for promotional purposes, and they have no cash value and may be transferred or exchanged for cash. So how do you do it? So first thing you want to do is navigate to the checkout. So when you're ready for a purchase and want an auction, just go to the checkout and then go for an automatic application. So if you have credits available, they will automatically be applied to your purchase and the amount of credit will be deducted from your total. And then you want to use as well, if you don't have an automatic application, you can also do a manual application. So in some cases, you may need to manually set the credit you wish to use from your wallet. And you can also use some referral credits, which are also typically added to your account immediately. And you can also combine credits from different accounts and use them with other payment methods. And that's how you can use credits on Whatnot.